Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the two apps you need. This is the fastest path. With the first app open, swipe up just enough to show the dock, then tap and hold the second app. Drag it to the side, left or right, and release when split view forms. This creates two active windows. Once done, drag the center divider to set a 50% or 1/3 split, because precise sizing matters for productivity. Make sure to use apps that support Stage Manager or Split View for best results. Next, add more apps with slide over so you can reference without full focus. Drag a third app from the dock into the center of the screen. It will float over your split view. Once there, swipe the small handle to move or hide it and flick left or right to switch between slide over apps. Because slide over is temporary, you can pin essential tools and dismiss others quickly. Once done, use Stage Manager to arrange multiple windows for organized multi-app workflows. This saves time when switching context. To finish, fine-tune positions and behaviors so your setup feels natural. Tap the multitasking icon at the top of any app to choose full screen, split view, or slide over. Then drag corners or the Stage Manager thumbnail to resize or stack windows. Once done, lock your layout by avoiding accidental swipes and use keyboard shortcuts if available. If something goes wrong, an app won't respond. Force quit that app or toggle Stage Manager off and on in settings. This simple reset usually restores normal multitasking behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.